I'd like to send my condolences to the Grande family. I'm sure you already heard that Ariana Grande's grandfather passed away from his long battle with cancer last week on July 22nd. The poor man died on Selena Gomez's 22nd birthday and on my last day of my English 1510 class. I said this before and I'll say it again. Cancer is a biatch, and it sucks when good people die from it. There is obviously no cure for cancer. Actually, there is a cure, but the government is holding out on us. Screw the government. I want someone to kick the government's butt and find a cure for AIDS, HIV, and cancer. It's like the government thinks it's best to drop like flies instead of living. People have lives to live. Ariana's grandfather died a year after Jennette McCurdy's poor mother, Deborah McCurdy, died from breast cancer in September 2013. So both Jennette and Ariana lost loved ones, ironically a year apart from each other. Speaking of Jennette, here's what she said. My thoughts and condolences go out to the Grande family. I met Ariana's grandpa several times. He was always kind and classy. Hashtag RIP Grandpa Grande. Ariana was there for Jennette when her mother died, and Jennette was there for Ariana. I also heard that Ariana and Jennette had beef with each other. It's probably just rumors because it would be sad to let a feud get in the way of a friendship. Ariana dropped her things to go see her grandpa. Ariana was hoping he would pull through. She was like, "Love you, Gramps. I need you to pull through." But he never did. Looking at these pictures, you can tell Ariana loved her grandfather to death. That was her favorite person in the world. And there's Ariana as a baby. Ariana said this, "If only y'all knew how amazing he was. My heart hurts so much. It's beyond broken. But I got to hold his hand and watch him find his peace. He is all things. Wish you knew how incredible he is. Humble, respectful, hardworking, polite, thoughtful, humorous, generous, an example for all gentlemen. Going to try my best to put my selfishness aside through this. As much as I want Gramps here with me, I should just want him to be comfortable." Her grandfather's last wish was for Ariana to honor her work commitments and go to New York City and sing her heart out on Good Morning America, which she did. You can tell Ariana did not look like her usual self because once the taping was done, she broke down in tears and cried on Ryan Seacrest's shoulder. "Oh, Ariana, you poor, poor thing. Oh, this is too much." Her brother Frankie also took the news very hard on Big Brother. By the way, I didn't know she had a brother until hearing about Mr. Frank Grande's passing. Apparently Frankie's on a show called Big Brother that comes on CBS. I didn't even know Ariana had a twin sister. Two women that looked the same for the price of one. Anyways, rest in peace, Mr. Frank Grande. Thanks for making your granddaughter feel special and happy. God bless the Grande family, as they deserve some privacy during this difficult time, whether you're a celebrity or not. I know fans of Ariana Grande have given her so much support and understand why she had to drop everything and go to her grandfather. Sorry some of you probably won't be able to see her in concert. That's if she was planning on coming to your town. But anyways, that's it. See ya.